Time now for another spin of the Wheel of Justice. We team up with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office each week to help get wanted fugitives off our streets. Joining us this morning, Melissa Bujeda with JSO, our featured suspect, a new face on the wheel.
He is, and he's wanted for a very serious crime, sexual battery. His name is Carl Matthews. He has a $100,000 bond. He's 27 years old, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 190 pounds, last known address, 1612 20th Street. But I know Channel 4 viewers are many out there, and he is known to be in the Clay County area. So Green Cove Springs, the 1300 block of Love Drive. So Jacksonville and Clay County, be on the lookout for Carl Matthews.
All right, that said, let's go ahead and spin the wheel. By the way, no captures to talk about this week. All these faces will be on newsforjax.com later this afternoon. Remember, if you see any of these wanted fugitives on the street, don't confront them yourself. We'll give you a number to call for Crime Stoppers coming up at the end of the Wheel of Justice. And it lands on Ms. Cordova.
Jennifer Cordova. She's wanted for child neglect, no bond, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 175 pounds, 30 years old, brown hair, hazel eyes. This photo's from when she was arrested in December 2012, when she was arrested for drug charges. Last known address is in the Sappho Avenue area, 32205 zip code. So if you know the whereabouts of Jennifer Cordova, please contact police.
Or Crime Stoppers. That number is 866-845-TIPS. Melissa, thanks.
Thank you.